In this video, I will show you how to find your UID on Bitget. The UID is your unique user identification number. Knowing your UID is important for various activities on the platform. To get started, open up the Bitget app on your device. Ensure that you are logged into your account. If not, enter your credentials to access your profile. Once you're logged in, look at the top left corner of your screen where you'll see a profile icon. Tap on this icon to proceed. After tapping on the profile icon, you'll notice an arrow icon at the top of this section. Go ahead and tap that arrow. This action will take you directly to your User Center page. Now that you're in the User Center, look towards the top of this page. You should see an option labeled UID prominently displayed. Right next to it is a series of numbers. This sequence represents your unique user ID within Bitget. If you need to share or use this UID elsewhere, simply tap on the copy button located next to these numbers. This action will copy your UID directly to your clipboard, making it easy for you to paste wherever necessary. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.